Hi, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. Today I want to show you 4 quick and easy hairstyles using our acrylic swerves, actually acrylic U-pins. They are amazing. So lightweight, but so durable. They're slightly curved like our U-pins and our swerves, but you can do so many styles with them for all day hold, and they're so lightweight. Stick around to the end of the video and I will show you some of the different styles. I'm going to be using our tortoiseshell. It is our dark tortoiseshell, but we have some others and I'll show you some of the things that I like to pair with it. So we'll get started. And the first thing I want to show you is what I call our Ponytail. It's kind of like a half bun, half pony. But it is my go-to style, whether I'm using flexies, U-pins, swerves, or our acrylic swerves. So it's really simple to do, and you can get all day hold with it. So you start with a regular ponytail about the center of your head. You can adjust the height however you would like. I don't want to pull it too tight. I want to keep some of that hair loose so it's not pulled tight across my head. And then I'm going to take that hair and I'm going to start like I'm doing a bun as I twist it. And I'm going to let that hair hang down. Now I started just off center just to make sure you saw that, because the ponytail is going to swing to the side. So I'm starting just slightly to the left. And again, just take that hair, get it into the start of a bun and let that hang down. Then I'm going to take the U-pin, curve side up, and then I'm going to catch just the outer edge of that bun. Go out, grab some hair, flip it up, and come straight down. Okay, and then I just let that hair hang down. And again, all day hold, and just a super fun pony that's, not your average ponytail, so it's a little more interesting than your basic pony, but it still has the all day hold that you need. The second one I want to show you is a top knot, okay, using the same acrylic U-pin. Now this one, top knots typically sit further up on your head, so I'm going to start further up on the head when I start my ponytail to hold it. So I'm going to start just, probably just above halfway of where I would normally wear a ponytail. And then I'm going to do what I call that cheek French twist, where I wrap it around my thumb and I'm going to twist up. So I keep that loop of hair. I just stopped once I've got like the 2 loops and I've gone around twice. Now if my hair is curly, I will leave this out. When it's straight, it doesn't look so great. So I kind of bring it up into the twist there. Then I take my thumb out. So it's going to leave this part loose for a minute. And then I'm going to lock into that twisted part right there and just grab again with the acrylic U-pin, curve side up. Then I'm going to grab some hair from outside, keep contact with my scalp, roll it over and slide it in. Then I take this hair and I'm going to mess it up. Sometimes it looks really nice just as is, but I usually like to mess it up. I pull some out, maybe some from both sides. And it's quick enough to do that if you don't like it the first time, you can do it again. But this one is more of a messy top knot, more casual. It's not a real formal, but it's just a kind of a fun casual look. And then I usually pull some forward, and I don't have this pulled too tight. So you can do this with wet hair. This is a great second, third, fourth day hair. You can just stick it up and it looks cute, but it'll stay up out of your way. So again, that's with the U-pin. And then we have a French twist. Now, normally I do a cheek French twist, but as my hair's gotten longer, I found that I'm actually better off with a traditional French twist. So this time, I'm going to take my hair into a traditional French twist, and I'm going to start lower, the nape of my neck, and then I'm going to twist up so that I get that roll, that real pretty look of the French twist. And you can go up as high as you want. So I want to go to about there, so that's when I'm going to stop, as long as you can feel that smooth part of your hair. Then I'm going to take the leftover, twist it, and I'm going to tuck it into that pocket that I just created with the French twist. Okay, so again, I want this always to end up curved with my head. So I start with that curve up, grab a little bit of that twist, grab hair from outside, flip it over, and slide it in. Again, no bobbies, no elastics, and you can adjust it if it's too tight. You can make it a little looser, but easy, easy all day hold. So for a more sleek look, you can do a traditional French twist. So just a fun, easy twist to do. And lastly, an easy bun. And you can do so many different buns with this. You could do a Celtic knot bun, you can do a lazy wrap bun, you can do any number of messy buns or a neater, tighter, twisted bun. So I'm just going to do kind of a loose but a neater bun as I just kind of wrap my hair around and tuck in those ends. And then I'm going to just kind of flatten it out a little bit, loosen it up. And then I take again the U-pin with, I want it to eventually curve down. So I'm going to grab just outside of center, grab that, or stick the pin down, grab some hair from underneath, then come immediately back up, work that pin through the bun. And then you can take your hair and you can loosen that up a little more if you want. But just an easy bun, again, all day hold. Now, this is great to keep in your purse because it is acrylic. You can wear it in the pool, you can wear it in the shower. It is a great go-to twist when you're out and about and you need to get your hair up in a hurry. And it can still look cute. So I said I was going to show you some of the other designs we have. So this is the dark tortoise, which matches my earrings today. But I did find some light tortoise earrings too. So we also have the light tortoise and then the all black. And this is our Lizzie collection. You can buy them individually or you can buy all three of these to save even a little bit more money. And then we also have our Missy collection, which is kind of like a pearlized white. I love that. It tends to go with everything. Light lavender and then a peachy pink. I've worn it with peach, pink, and an orange. So it kind of takes on the hue of whatever you're wearing. I really like the color selections of these because they really can go with so many different things. So we've got, again, the Missy and the Lizzie collection. And then I often like to pair with the tortoise shell our new hairbands, which are the leopard print. And we've got a light leopard print and a darker leopard print to kind of coordinate with each of the tortoise shell of the acrylic U-pins. So if you haven't seen our hairbands, please go check out my hairband video that talks about how amazing these are because they truly are unique. But they look great in combination together and you can pair those up for a really elegant look or casual, whichever way you like to go. Well, I hope this was helpful. Try out the acrylic U-pins if you haven't. They are a must-have for your hair wardrobe. Well, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.